In this video, we will learn how to find in Google Sheet. This is my Google Sheet. I have here used data. I want to find something in Google Sheet. Just press Ctrl plus F. You get here option, search option, find in sheet. If I enter 243, you can see here 243 highlighted in sheet. There is a one way you can find in specific sheet and in all sheet. If you want to check option, just click this three dot. You get the more option. If you enter what you find and you get here search in all sheet time this sheet and specific range. Just select as you want. You can select the range, select the option here as your search option. Also search within the formula, match entire cell contents. There is a so many option you can select as. I just select the first one, match case. Okay, and click on done. You can find it what you want. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.